In this video, I would like to add the option to provide a menu for our graphical user interface. So let's close the current instance of the application, and under Com Handman Game GUI menu, let's create a simple class called menu. This class will be annotated with the component Spring Stereotype. Should extend the JMenu bar. This is a component from a JavaX Swing package. Now I need to auto-wire the Handman frame main component. Let's fix this and remove the comments. I will create a constructor for our menu class. And after this, we'll set up in place a create menu method, and under our constructor, let's call this create menu method. So under this newly created method, we'll first define a JMenu called options menu, and we'll store the option string next to it. And now let's create some simple menu items that will be added to the options menu. So for the option 1, we'll have the possibility to generate a word. And for the second option, we'll have the use case to exit the application. So this is an alternative way of pressing on the X button. Now I would like to add also key listeners to our JMenu items. So Ctrl+N for the new game option and Ctrl+E for the exit option. So let's do this. So option 1, we need to invoke the set accelerator, and as parameter we need to set the keystroke, get keystroke, and key event dot vkey and n. And we need to add the action event as control mask. Similar for the option 2 of our menu. Set accelerator, we'll still use the keystroke, and now we'll use the key event with E, and action event, same thing, control mask. We'll need to implement the business logic for our options. So we'll add action listeners for both of them. So for the option 1, for the generate word, we'll need to implement the action perform method and receives an action event E. And over here, we use the instance from the Handman game and invoke the new game. And for the option 2, we'll add an action listener. Same method signature, action performed, action event E as parameter, and this time we will exit the application. Now we need to add both option 1 and option 2 to the options menu. And add this options menu to the main JMenu component that this class extends. In order to properly use this menu, we'll need to inject it under the handman frame. So let's do this. We'll need to first use the auto-wired annotation, private menu, since our class is called in this way. And over here we'll invoke this set JMenu bar, and for the parameter we will use the menu. Now we will start the application. And you can see that the options menu is present with two different options: generate word and exit. I pressed on the generate word, a new word has been generated, of course, and you have also the option to use keystrokes. Let's use them for the exit option.